Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, Wyckoff SMI.com, LearnCrypto.io for Saturday, September 7th. Going to jump on here. I might do a few more recordings tomorrow, so I wanted to get my week in review out of the way. As you know, I have been bearish stocks, especially even last Sunday. I showed the red highlight for a sell signal with our overbought technometer down there, lower right at 50. We are back to neutral at 44.9. But again, it looks like we're headed down to that 1300 support level, and then we'll see if we get any type of bounce. But for now, let's look for lower. Wyckoff Wave New Index, same type of thing. Had resistance up there. I said it wasn't a breakout. We would turn lower. Technometer there, also neutral at 44.26. Let's look for lower. Growth Index been a little more underperforming. Broke down on Friday there. Technometer neutral as well. So let's look for lower. SPY, I talked about maybe trying to eke out a new high early in the week. Instead, we opened lower. Friday was more selling, 46.72. Let's look for a move down to that 520 level. TLT, as you know, I've been bullish. We had the divergence here where we had new low in volume, higher low in price. That was a add level there at 91.57. We had a buy signal clear back down here as well. I talked about last week, we were down here at 96 and change. I thought we would assault the 100 level. We did that on Friday and reversed. But again, with stocks going lower, I think TLT bonds still trade higher. Let's look for assault to that 102, 103 level. Crude and XLE. Here's crude breaking down. XLE also as well. As you know, I got a long position there from 90.80. I was thinking about selling that, but did not get it done with the gap lower Tuesday, so I am long there, but I don't think crude will break down here or these oil stocks, so I'm going to stay long for the time being. As you know, on gold and precious metals, I've been looking for some type of short-term top, some type of ABC down to give us a good intermediate to long-term buy as well to add on if you're not long. So again, I think we're still headed lower on metals. Here's the futures on gold. Sideways, we had a new highs in prices, while volume is trailing considerably, so that is a red bearish divergence. Let's look for lower. Silver also worked lower for the week. Let's look for lower. Dollar, I am long a little bit here. We came back down and kind of tested the lows on Friday, but didn't close higher. You can see there's not much more to add. I do think we're in a triangle pattern, and I think we are headed up. Some type of rally, nothing else, maybe up to 103. Before we turn bearish, but let's look for the dollar to go higher. I talked about Bitcoin working lower with stocks. Got quite a bit of Elliott wave on here that I do throw on to the crypto markets from time to time. Possibility, we've done a 1-2. We got a little deep on Friday. Late Friday, we made those lows down there at 52.5. We're currently 54.350. So this is the bullish count. If we can't dig out of here and break that previous C wave low down here, then we're going to see a move to 48,000 to 44,000. But for now, let's look forward to bounce. But again, I'm not too impressed. We got partial longs on these cryptos, and really trying to stay on the sideline until things clear up. Same type of thing on Ethereum. I talked about 2,400 could break. I did do a quick trade there on a half position. Took some slight losses. Again, nervously long partial positions, but going to stay on the sidelines. I think stocks still can drag crypto lower. QFIN, a long-term bullish position of mine, did come under pressure last week. I mentioned I was going to try to trade that. Didn't get a higher opening for the week. So again, still long there from 18 and change. Looking for consolidation and then higher. And to throw in a altcoin, KAS. This is a coin we traded a few times. I like the way this looks. Did buy a little bit on Friday's weakness. We're up a little bit here today. You can see oversold readings by our Wyckoff indicators that are available at TradingView, but you've got to purchase them from us or ask for how to gain access. They're not public. And we did have oversold readings there, as I've shown. So CAS, I think one is, when the altcoin bull market returns, I think CAS will be one that leads it. Have a great week trading.